If you have a special request or a problem that you want to be resolved, consider praying a novena if you are a Catholic. Praying a novena requires consistency. How can you stay committed to say a certain prayer for 9 days straight? Here are my tips. Number 1, decide what you want to pray for. Di ba pag may gusto tayong makuha, gagawin talaga natin ang lahat? This desire will help you stick to the novena prayer for 9 days. Missing just a day of prayer will make us afraid that our intention may not be granted. Number 2, find a novena that aligns with your intention and follow the instructions of this prayer by heart. There's a novena that suits your intention. Scour the religious store near you, research on Google, or utilize prayer apps such as Hallow. Ako, my personal favorite is St. Joseph's Novena. I felt na he's my padrino talaga. And also, ramdam ko yung fatherly love and protection niya by helping me meet someone who's responsible and decent. To all my single Catholic ladies out there, you might want to give this novena prayer a try. Number 3, set a specific time each day for prayer. Para walang mintis ang pagdadasal mo ng novena, mag-alat ka ng exact time para dito. For example, every 8 p.m. ka mag-novena. Make sure na available ka ng oras na yon at much better kung mag-set ka ng alarm para hindi mo makalimutan. Number 4, find a quiet place to recite the novena. Hanap ka ng solemn place para makapagdasal, yung walang distractions. Mas madali kasing magdasal ng taimtim pag tahimik ang lugar. Number 5, embrace the novena fully. How can you do this? Samahan mo ng good deeds. Mas effective ang prayer pagsasabayan ng pagpapakabuti. Lastly, attend the Holy Mass after praying the novena for 9 days. The Mass is the highest form of prayer, kaya don't miss it. Matupad man o hindi ang hiling mo after 9 days of praying the novena, ang mahalaga, mas napalapit ka sa Diyos nang dahil sa devotion mo. Whatever happens, give praise and thanks pa rin kay Lord kasi an unanswered prayer means God's protection. One thing's for sure, He'll give you more than what you prayed for.